Hey y'all, Will Healy here, and today I want to talk to you about drones. And I recently read an article, The Benefits of Drones in Manufacturing, and I wanted to share some insights from this article with you. And it's really the first quote at the very beginning is drones are more than just a fancy camera, right? These can be used for material transportation, although this is one of the least interesting from the article, surveillance and security, asset inspection and maintenance planning, doing actual assembly work, inventory checks, or how much do we have and where is it? We can record important compliance data like temperatures around a plant or observe certain tasks or machine states as we need them to be recorded at a certain time, right? So we have compliance requirements. And then I really like this, obtain and record information where humans cannot. And I think that's interesting, like dangerous environments and difficult to access areas. Think confined spaces or like really up high on the top of a stamping press, right? It could be 3 stories up there. So maybe even going inside a safety gated area with a drone to be able to look at what's going on before we actually enter the space, or to be able to see from above what's going on inside a work cell while it's running where people can't go because the cell is running and that's a safety gated area. So some really cool ideas, even like out in the back portions of your property where it's harder to get or maybe you don't go so often. Okay, so I thought that article was really cool. What I'm thinking is before you go and think, cool, I thought drones were fun. I'm going to take that to my factory tomorrow. Before you do that, please don't bring your drone in tomorrow and start flying it at work. There are some considerations to start with. Things like there's a commercial drone pilot's license that's required. It's not a lot of work, but you do have to get one. Visual line of sight to the operator to the drone is important and should not be violated. And your company should set some rules and safety standards, guidelines, and trainings to talk about that. So I just thought it was a really cool article. I'll make sure there's a link to it down in the comments. But until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?